Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about setting up Outlook email signature. Email signature is essentially a digital business card. Let's create custom signatures that can be automatically added to your email messages. To do that, select New Email in your Outlook. In the Message tab up top, select Signature. Then select Signatures. Click the New button. Type a name for the signature. Then click OK. I'll create my signature with my name, company name, and a link to company website. You can also change the fonts, font size and color, or format your signature according to your preference. But I'll just make it classy and simple. In this area is where you can add an image or logo and link them to a web page. You can also change the default settings up here. In the new messages, select the signature to automatically add the signature in new emails. I'll just leave the replies or forward to none to prevent numerous signatures, especially in long email threads. Click OK. So let me create a new email. There you go! My email signature is now set up. Remember, a proper email signature will give you a professional look and feel to every email you send. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.